value of k such that the distribution represents a finite probability distribution. Hence, find its mean and standard deviation. Also find p of x less than or equal to 1, p of x greater than 1, and p of minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. So this is the table they will give for the question. With the question only they will give. Let us start the solution. When we are going to start the solution for finding k of the probability distribution, first we have to write the condition for every problem. We know that this is the condition, these two condition we have to write for every problem. So that is, we know that p of x is greater than or equal to 0. P of x greater than or equal to 0 for all x. This condition, if you write, means it also carries marks. Summation or sum of the p of x is equal to 1. So here the question they have given in terms of k. So we have to write the first condition. The first condition means p of x greater than or equal to 0. That first condition should be satisfied. When the first condition is satisfied, if k is greater than or equal to 0. If k is greater than or equal to 0. That is the first condition. And second condition requires that requires that the sum of the p of x, when we are adding the sum of the p of x, we have to get equal to 1. So here what we have to write, add all the p of x, that is k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 3k again plus 2k plus k is equal to 1. When you add k plus 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 10, again 16. So 16k is equal to 1. That implies k is equal to 1 by 16. This 1 by 16 we have to substitute in the above given table what they have given in the question. So I write the discrete probability distribution. The discrete probability distribution is the discrete probability distribution is, we have to substitute the value in this table. X, I will write x values same, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Only I write in the p of x row, wherever k is there, I will write 1 by 16. So here 2 by 16, 3 by 16, 4 by 16, 3 by 16, 2 by 16, 1 by 16, because we got the k value as a 1 by 16. After finding this table, we completed the finding the value of k and also the substitution of the finite distribution. Now we will move to the mean. So what is our mean value? Mean can be also written as a mu, summation of x into p of x, or sum of x into p of x. So x into p of x means first row with the first term in both the x and the p of x, minus 3 by 16 Next, minus 2 into 2, minus 4 by 16. Like that, we have to do the multiplication. So here again, minus 1 into 3, minus 3 by 16, 0 into 4, 0, again plus 3 by 16, again 2 into 2, 4, plus 4 by 16, plus 3 by 16. So add these two. So 3 by 16, 3 by 16, 4 by 16, again 3 by 16. So we get mu value 0. Next, they ask the standard deviation. Before finding the standard deviation, we have to find the variance. So variance we will denote it by V. Variance we denote it by V. So write the variance formula, summation or sum of x minus mu whole square into p of x. So here first one, x value minus 3 mu is 0 whole square into 1 by 16 plus again x value is minus 2 mu value is 0 whole square into 2 by 16 plus minus 1 minus 0 whole square into 3 by 16. Next, fourth value 0 minus 0 whole square into 4 by 16. Next comes the fifth value. Next comes the fifth value, that is 1 minus 0 whole square into 3 by 16 plus 2 minus 0 whole square into 2 by 16 plus x value is 3, mu value is 0 whole square into p of x for the last term is 1 by 16. Now, minus 3 whole square, 9 by 16. Minus 2 whole square means 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 by 16. Next, minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 3 by 16. This term completely it will become 0. Next, again 3 by 16 plus 4 into 2. 8 by 16. 9 into 1. 9 by 16. Yes, when you add all the terms. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 by 16. So variance we got 5 by 2. Now we have to find standard deviation, that is root of the variance. Yes, what is the root 5 by 2 value? Calculate in your calculator and tell me the answer, because for this whole module we have to use the calculator. Find the value for 1.58 is the correct answer. The same answer you have got.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Next, standard deviation we finished. Next, come back for the p of x less than or equal to 1. P of x less than or equal to 1 means we have to see the table. Less than or equal to 1 means we have to take the values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Less than or equal to means we have to go backwards. So p of minus 3 plus p of minus 2 plus p of minus 1. So write the values. P of minus 3 is 1 by 16. P of minus 2 is 2 by 16. P of minus 1 is 3 by 16. So 6 by 16. So we have the number Yes.
Ma'am, P of 0, ma'am.
Less than or equal to 1. Okay, I missed here. Plus less than or equal to means two more term I have to add. That is P of 0 plus P of 1. Two more value because less than or equal to 1. I thought it is minus 1. So P of 0 plus P of 1. All the 5 terms we have to add. So I just write here after 3 by 16. So I write here only 4 by 16 plus again 3 by 16. So 4 plus 6, 10 means 10 plus 3, 13 by 16. For P of x less than or equal to 1, we got 13 by 16. Next, second one is P of x greater than 1. Here they are not mentioned equal to. So greater than 1 means whichever I have circled here, that two terms we have to write greater than 1. So P of 2 plus P of 3 is equal to 2 by 16 plus 1 by 16 is equal to 3 by 16. Next comes the last one. Here equal to less than or equal to is there. So P of minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. So P of x minus 1 less than x means here which I have underlined here only the three terms we have to mention. First comes P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 because less than or equal to minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. So P of 0, P of 1 plus P of 2. So P of 0 value is 4 by 16. P of 1 is 3 by 16. P of 2 is 2 by 16. So here 7 plus 2, 9 by 16. This and all we can leave in the fraction method only for the variance, standard deviation and mu if we get. Only for the standard deviation because we are applying the root, so we have to find out the complete answer. The probability PDF means the probability distribution function. So sometimes they will ask like this, the probability distribution function of variate x is given by the following table. Is given by the following table x and here p of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again here k, 3k, 5k, 7k, 9k, 11k and 13k and 13k. Here also write the question for what value of k, this represents a valid probability distribution find p of x greater than or equal to 5 and p of 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. This is the question. Now here they have not asked us to find the mean or the variance. So first again when you are starting this problem, we have to write the common condition. The probability distribution the probability, this condition carries 1 marks, the probability distribution is valid if P of x is greater than or equal to 0 and summation of P of x is equal to 1, or sum of P of x is equal to 1. This condition we have to write in each and every problem. So let us start here. We have, for the first condition, k is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, next, add all the P of x, means k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k, equate it equal to 1. Now add this term and tell me the k value. LHS side you can tell. Yes, what is the k value?
49. 1 by
Yes.
1 by 49.
Yes, LHS side we got 49 into k, that is equal to 1. So k value we can write it as a 1 by 49. Now rewrite the table. Rewrite the table. So here we can write the discrete probability distribution. The discrete probability distribution is, rewrite the table by substituting k value. By substituting k value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 by 49, 3 by 49, 5 by 49, 7 by 49, 9 by 49, 11 by 49, last 13 by 49. This we completed the k value, finding out the k value. Next, they asked x is greater than or equal to 5. X is greater than or equal to 5 means we have to write only these two numbers. So P of 5 plus P of 6. So 11 by 49 plus 13 by 49. So how much we will get? 11 plus 13?
50 by 49.
11 plus 13.
24.
Yes, 11 plus 13 is 24 divided by 49. Next, last one. P of 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. So less than 3 means the number starts from 4. So 4, 5, 6. So P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6. So 9 by 49, 11 by 49 plus 13 by 49. What is the final answer?
30.
33 divided by 49. Distribution. The probability distribution of a finite random variable, finite random variable, finite random variable x is given by, write the table here, xi is also same, p of xi, both are same. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0.1, k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3, k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k, mean, comma, variance. Next, p of x less than 1 and p of x greater than or equal to minus 1. Oh, totally, they asked us to find out 5 terms. So, what we have to do now? First, again, write the condition. We have p of xi is greater than or equal to 0 and sum of p of xi is equal to 1. So again here we have to use the condition sum of p of xi is equal to 1. So add 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k 0.3 plus k is equal to 1. 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.6 plus k plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4k is equal to 1. So 4k is equal to 1 minus 0.6, then we get 0.4. So k is equal to 0.1. K is equal to 0.1. Now we have to substitute in the table, that is xi p of xi minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. So 0.1 0.1 0.2. So here also 0.2 0.3 0.1. When you add all the p of x here for your verification whether your k is correct or not, whatever the k value you have got in every problem, whether it is correct or not, to cross verify you have to add all the p of x here, you have to get 1. So here 0.4 0.4 plus 3.7 again 1. So our k value is correct. Next, what we have to do here? First we have to find out the mean. Mean is summation of x into p of x. So minus 2 into 0.1 is minus 0.2. Again minus 1 into 0.1 is minus 0.1 plus 0 plus 0.2 plus again 2 into 0.3 is 0.6. 3 into 0.1 is 0.3. So add all this and tell me the mean value. Add all this. How much we will get for the mean?
0.8.
Yes, mean value is 0.8. Next, variance. Variance is we can write here sum of x minus mu whole square into p of x into p of x. So here x value minus 2 mu value is 0.8 whole square into 0.1 plus minus 1 minus 0.8 whole square into 0.1 plus this term completely here 0 minus 0.8 mu value whole square into 0.2. Next 1 minus 0.8 whole square into 0.2. Again 2 minus 0.8 whole square into 0.3, last one 3 minus 0.8 whole square into 0.1. So first individually or together you can tell the answer. To this 2 minus 0.8 is minus 2.8 whole square into 0.1 plus minus 1.8 whole square into 0.1 plus 0.8 whole square into 0.2 plus 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2 whole square into 0.2 plus again 2 minus 0.8 is 1.2 whole square into 0.3. Again here 2.2 whole square into 0.1. Yes, now I have simplified the correct. 2.16 is the answer. Now, after finding out the variance, next they asked P of x less than 1. You can see the table. P of x less than 1 means minus 2 minus 1 0. So here P of minus 2 plus P of minus 1 plus P of 0, that is 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.2. So how much we will get here? 0.4. Next, greater than or equal to minus 1. So greater than or equal to means we have to start with the minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So P of minus 1 plus P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3. So 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, 0.3 plus 0.1. So yes, 0.9 is the answer. The mean and variance for the following probability distribution choosing k and P of x is less than or equal to 1 and P of 0 less than or equal to x less than 3. Here they have given the change condition. P of 0 less than or equal to x less than 3. So write the table x here, P of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K, 5k, 10k, 10k, 5k, k. Here also again we have to start the solution. We have P of x is greater than or equal to 0 and sum of P of x must be equal to 1. So here for finding out the k, first you have to write summation of or sum of P of x is equal to 1. So here add all the P of x. So k plus 5k plus 10k plus 10k plus 5k plus k is equal to 1. So add all the term and find out the k value.
1 by 32.
Yes. Here 32k we get is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 by 32. Next comes the table substitution. Once we substitute in the table, then we can find out the mean and the variance. So here x and here P of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 by 32, 5 by 32, 10 by 32, 10 by 32, 5 by 32, here k by, sorry, 1 by 32. Now, mean formula summation of x into p of x. So first term 0 plus 5 by 32 plus 20 divided by 32, 30 divided by 32, 4 into 5, again 20 divided by 32 plus 5 into 1, 5 divided by 32. So what is the final answer?
80.
80 divided by 32. So we can write 16 5s are 16 2s are. So we get 5 by 2 as a value for the mean. Next comes variance. Variance also summation or sum of x minus mu whole square into p of x. So here x value, first one is 0, mu value is minus 5 by 2 whole square into 1 by 32 plus 1 minus 5 by 2 whole square into 5 by 32 plus again 2 minus 5 by 32 whole square into 10 by 32, again 3 minus 5 by 32 whole square into 10 by 32, 4 minus 5 by 2 whole square into fourth value is 5 by 32. Last one here 5 minus 5 by 2 whole square into 1 by 32. Find out the answer. Find out the answer for this one. So here we get 2 4 minus 5 is minus 1 by 2 whole square into 10 by 32. Again 6 minus 1 1 by 2 whole square into 10 by 32. Sorry, here wait a minute. Minus yes, I made a mistake, I think. Here minus 5 by 32. First row is minus 5 by 32. Here 1 by 32 it will come. Again here minus 3 by 2 whole square into 5 by 32. Next comes here minus 1 by 2 whole square into 10 by 32 plus 1 by 2 whole square, because 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 5, 1 by 1 by 2 whole square into 10 by 32 plus 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 5, 3 by 2 whole square into 5 by 32. 10 minus 5 is 5 by 2 whole square into 1 by 32. Next, here I write 1 by 32 as a common term outside in every term. So minus 5 whole square means 25 divided by 4. Again plus minus 3 whole square means 9 by 4. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 5, 45 plus again 10 by 4, because 1 by 4 into 10 is 10 by 4. Here also plus 10 by 4. Again plus 9 into 5, 45 by 4 plus 25 by 4. 40 by 32. Yes, 40 divided by 32. So here 8 5s are 8 4s are. So 5 by 4 is the answer. Next, if p of x less than or equal to 1. So that is p of 0 plus p of 1. So 1 by 32 plus 5 by 32. So we get 6 by 32, that is we can write it as a 3 by 16. Next, last one, p of 0 less than equal to x less than 3. So here less than or equal to means we have to start from 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. 0, p of 1, p of 2, because less than 3 means we have to stop up to the p of 2. So 1 by 32, 5 by 32 plus 10 by 32. So we get 16 by 32, that is nothing but 1 by 2. If the random variable x, take the values 1, 2, 3, 4 such that 2p of x is equal to 1, that is equal to 3p of, that is equal to 3p of x is equal to 2, that is equal to p of x is equal to 3, that is equal to 5p of x is equal to 4. Find the probability distribution of x and cumulative distribution. So here one more thing newly they have added, that is cumulative, that we will see at the end of the problem. Now let us define the table, because here they have not mentioned the table. We have to mention the table by ourselves. So here let the distribution x comma p of x be, here I will mention x and here I will mention p of x. What they have given the variable for x, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. For that I will define p of x as a p1, p2, p3 and p4. So by given 2p of x1, by given 2p of x1 means 2 into p of x1 means this one, p of x2, p of x3 and p of x4. So 2p1 is equal to 3p2, see the condition, that is equal to p3, that is equal to 5p4, that is equal to 5p4. In the next line, what we have to write, we know the condition. What is the condition? Sum of all the p of x must be equal to 1. So p1 plus p2 plus p3 plus p4 should be equal to 1. I call this one as a equation 1 and this one as a equation 2. In the next line, from equation 1, I write here From equation 1, I find out the P2 value. P2 is equal to P2, comparing the first and the second. P2 is 2P1 divided by 3. P3 value is 2P1. Again, P4 value, comparing the first and the last, means 2P1 divided by 5. Therefore, equation 2 becomes P1 plus, in the place of P2 I just substitute 2P1 divided by 3. In the place of P3 2P1, in the place of P4 2P1 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Now take out the LCM. LCM is 15. So 15P1 plus 10P1 plus 30P1 plus here 6P1. So here we get 40. 40 plus 15 is 55 plus 6 is 61. Here I will write equal to 1. So 61 P1 divided by 15 is equal to 1. So that means P1 is equal to 15 divided by 61. If P1 is equal to 15 by 61, substitute for P2. P2 is equal to 30 divided by P2 value. What is our P2? Yes, how much we will get here for the P2? Next, P3, 30 divided by 61. P4, how much we will get here?
Thirty divided by 305.
30 divided by 305. 30 divided by 305. So here we get 3 tens are 30. Again 3 61s are 183. Again here 3 tens are. So how much we will get here for the 305? We get 315, or how much we will get for this one? P4.
6 by 61.
6 divided by 61. So I rewrite this one once again. P1 value is, where is the P1 value? 15 by 61. P2 value is 10 by 61. Again P3 value is 30 divided by 61. P4 value is 6 divided by 61. Now they asked one more thing for us. They asked one more thing, that is cumulative distribution. Cumulative distribution. What is the distribution? Here I write x value. Here, wait a minute, I just write here down. Cumulative, here I write x. Again p of x. Cumulative distribution, I just mentioned f of x. X value 1, 2, 3, 4. P of x means 51 by 61, 10 by 61, 30 divided by 61, 6 by 61. So here when we are writing the first term for the cumulative, 15 by 61 plus 0 we have to write for the first term. So we get 15 by 61 only. This is the value of the first. Next, for the second term, 10 by 61 I will write as it is, plus this 15 by 61. I will add 15 by 61. So I will get 25 by 61. This is for the second one. Third one, 30 divided by 61 I will write as it is plus. I add this value. What is that? 25 divided by 61. So I will get 55 divided by 61. This is for the third one. Last one, 6 by 61 plus here 55 by 61. So I will get 61 by 61 means 1.